Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Friday, September 14, 2018. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 3.25 points to 29.08.5 per contract. All in all, the futures seem to be just trading in somewhat of a range here. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings today. All right, we have lots of stocks in the news, so let's get started here with the first and big one, Adobe. Adobe Systems reported earnings last night after the closing bell. Stock right now is trading at $268.60. It closed at $268.52. You're going to see in the after hours, traded above $273, and it traded down all the way to $261, and right now basically settling in around the flat line. So we'll be watching this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see how it does there. Nothing to do yet, but Adobe will be in play today. Next up, we want to take a look at Corning. GLW is the ticker symbol there. It looks like that stock was upgraded today. Closed at $35.06, now trading at $35.70. When I look at Corning, it's been very, very strong as of late, but I do think it is getting a little bit overbought. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, just leave it alone. We'll look at it a little bit later. Costco is in the news. This stock was downgraded this morning. Costco trading at $237.60. This stock is actually a decent downgrade because the stock has gone parabolic. So I understand it has gotten long in the tooth. Costco pulling back decently. Again, closed at $241.27, now trading at $237.60. We'll be looking at this one once the opening bell rings today, and we'll see if it gives us any levels. I think we're getting close to some support, so we'll be looking at Costco once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at some of these marijuana plays. TLRY, which has been on fire, coming down pretty sharply. This stock right now this morning trading at $106.25, closed at $119.76. Talk about parabolic. These things have gone really, really parabolic. Last night, some news came out that there's going to be something about workers and borders, and you got to just read it. It's a little bit confusing, to be honest. So what we're seeing, TLRY, which has been on fire. Look at this daily chart. This thing has just been parabolic here, but coming down pretty sharply right now. And then you'll see also Canopy Growth, which is CGC. That's the other big marijuana name. This stock this morning trading at $42.23. This closed at $44.07 yesterday with a big topping tail. All right, let's move over to Constellation Brands. STZ is the ticker symbol here. They actually invest in marijuana as well. I believe they have a stake in Canopy Growth. This stock is getting hit today, trading at $212.04, closed at $214.83. This was downgraded. Plus, I think the marijuana news last night also hurting this name, as they are an investor in Canopy Growth. Next up, we want to take a look at Dave & Buster's. PLAY is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $58.95. They reported earnings, closed at $57.52, so they're upticking a little bit. I don't think we can make too much out of it at the moment. Next up, we want to take a look at Bunge, BG. This is a soybean producer, ag name. Stock right now is trading at $65. Looks like 0.72 Asset Management. I believe that is Cohn's firm, has taken a 5% stake in the company. So again, a little activist maybe investment there, or just somebody, or 0.72 really just thinks that soybeans now is a good time to get involved, especially with all the trade wars that are going on. Next up, we want to take a look at Hasbro, HAS. This was added to Jeffrey's franchise pick list. Stock right now trading at $104.50. Very little volume behind that move, though. Let's keep an eye on Dunkin' Brands today, DNKN, or Dunkin' Donuts as it's known, trading at $76.02. This is not really moving, but this was downgraded today. And again, this stock has been very, very high on the charts, so we'll see if it gives us any plays once the opening bell rings. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is flat today, trading up just 20 cents to $1,208.40 an ounce. Crude oil trading higher by 28 cents to $68.87 a barrel. So we have gold and crude just slightly green on the day. Let's take a look at the US dollar index. The dollar is up just a touch here today too, so we'll see how that all shakes out once the opening bell rings. It has been a really good trading week. If you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great week, great year overall, and we're going to look to keep that going right into the end of December. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.